Good morning, welcome, thanks for joining me. At, at present, I'm almost wishing the days away until my second and final cataract operation next week. So to fill my time, here's a topic that may interest you. Preparing to film carp from the lake. Let's get into it. Good morning. Thanks for joining me. Today we're looking at preparing camera equipment for carp fishing. Specifically, mounting cameras to a bait boat to get a from the water perspective, i.e. the bait boat carrying the camera on the water, filming from the water, looking towards me, looking towards bushes, branches, trees, and especially looking towards feeding carp. The majority of my fishing these days is surface fishing, so I want to be able to capture those carp as the fish on the surface. I've removed the two hoppers from this bait boat. The two hoppers were on these hinges. That leaves a great area to mount devices. In the past, you'll see I've got central mounts and front mounts. They all affect the angle of the bait boat in the water. Hence this bath test, just to see how different devices affect the angle of attack, because these inexpensive bait boats don't have a lot of power, so we really need to keep the propellers down in the water. First device I'm going to put in this area where the buckets were. A motorised pan and tilt. We see the motorised system rotating the pan. And we can also tilt the device up and down. First signs are that the weight is still within the capability of the bait boat. So let's mount various devices on it and see what it, one, looks like, and two, how it works. First device, Insta360 Go 3. First thoughts are it's quite high. So it'll affect the centre of gravity, certainly. And we're able to see what the camera sees through the app. First thoughts are will it tip over the boat? Looks great for very close to the boat. So that was the Insta360 Go 3. And now the Insta360 1X2, a full 360 camera. That was the Insta360 1X2 full 360 camera. Views of the lake, views of me fishing from the lake, views of carp close up to the boat. It's all going to be interesting times. I suppose I should mention the latest acquisition, another Olympus camera on a ball head and tripod. It's a Pen 3 with a 1442 lens. I love Olympus, I love the quality. So I'll be capturing just as I am now. capturing footage of the cameras mounted on the bait boat. Just to wrap up, there's a light that I could mount on the bait boat should I need it. And there's the various phone mounts that could just detach. So I guess you could say we've got lots of bases covered. Thanks for joining me on this little look at the camera selection in preparation for carp fishing in 2024. Thanks for joining me. Join me again soon.